You guys asked for it, so here's a more in-depth look at my drag car. We're going to turn this into a mini-series to keep things short. First up is the engine and the turbo. This is my Mark IV Golf GTI, running the famous 1.8 20-valve turbo engine. But the standard KL3 turbo is long gone. Instead, it's got this Holset HX35 turbo, which fills this space much better. I've welded the internal wastegate on the turbo shut and added this external wastegate so we can actually control the boost properly. There's a screamer pipe that comes out the wastegate through this pipe, out the wing, and the main exhaust comes across the engine bay and straight out the bonnet. It does have a valve halfway down the exhaust, which then diverts the exhaust gases down under the car, then passes through a silencer and a cat, and then a full exhaust for use on the road. I've added this coil pack cover to protect everything from the heat, so the exhaust does sit very close. The turbo manifold is a bit of a mad one. It's made for an Audi S8 exhaust manifold, an adapter plate, and some custom pipework and V-bands. And surprisingly, it's still holding together. The bottom end of the engine's been built, we've got forged rods, OE pistons with 20mm wrist pin. The rings have been gapped for boost and nitrous. It's got ARP head bolts and King Racing bearings. One thing on the list is to build this head with some valves, some springs, and a set of cams. In the front, we've got this massive intercooler with some oversized piping, standard inlet manifold, but with a cable throttle body. I've added this coolant catch can since we got rid of the factory header tank. We've also got an oil catch can sat here. Nitrous is plumbed straight into the charge pipe with the solenoids mounted here. And to reduce the drag on the engine, everything's been stripped off the auxiliary drive system apart from the alternator. And of course, you've got to finish it off with a billet oil cap. So that's the setup. Let me know if there's anything that you would change. And next up, I'm going to take a look at the fuel system that's feeding this car. Hit that follow button so you don't miss out on the next part.